All right, gang. Welcome back. Welcome back to another Checo Forex live stream, gang. Today was a fantastic day trading the New York session. And now we are in the Asian session. Again, welcome back. If you're tuning in, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll dive into the charts right away. And we're on the gold chart here on the weekly time frame. And let's take a look and see where we are, right? We start off by marking up our levels right away. So we have a new high level here. This was the previous one, but let me do something real quick here. We did close. This was the level here. We did break above and close above last week. Then we're ripping down. We're currently under this range now. Personally, my expectation, I'm assuming, right? This is our range here. We're currently pushing back into the range. We did take out the previous weekly lows. You know, listen, this could have easily been a fake out, and this thing can come back down and confirm the level here, tap it, and then reflip. That's possible, right? But there's about 2 days, 2-3 days left on this candle, right? And it's possible this thing can reflip. If this thing reflips bullish and re-breaks the current high, it's gone. So yeah, that's when we're looking at those 25, 50 levels. It might come up here, maybe even 26, 50, who knows. But yeah, I think that psychological target of 2,500 is definitely going to get tapped. So it's possible. But there's potential for some more downside, even though we have these wicks here. And then again, we have the range. But I don't think this is going to come down, tap, and then reflip bullish yet. But anything can happen. All right, so let's drop it down to the daily time frame, right? Let's mark these levels. All right, so we have our daily high here, right? And our lows are, oops, delete that. All right, so again, we're in this very nice range. If you notice, the daily time frame has a very nice double top formation here, right? Both levels tapping into that resistance, and now it's dropping down. But look at the level we have here. We have the neckline of this double top right down here. Let me zoom in a little bit. You guys get a better visual of that. So we're coming down, right? Look at the previous daily candle closed bearish. This current candle is starting to run down. And well, it does it have a top wick? Oh wow, barely a top wick, but we just broke. Yeah, we just rebroke the previous daily lows. I might be looking for a sell here, gang. Let's keep taking a look here. But yeah, I think we're going to come down and tap this level. So we might come down to 23.62, 63, somewhere around there. Very interesting. We're currently looking at that. And then we'll see how it reacts at this level here. But dropping it to the 4. Let's see. Looking at the 4. Yeah, we just broke the previous 4-hour lows. If we get a pullback here, I might take a sell here, gang. If we get a pullback. Yeah, it looks like we're getting that pullback a little bit more. We go right back above and re-break the lows, then I'll get in. What's that looking like? Oh yeah, we're right back at the lows there. Let me take a look here. Let's see. I want to take it off the 1 hour. Hold on. Because there might be a level. No bottom wick here. Yeah, we could catch this quick drive down here. All right. You know what, gang? Yeah. What's this? He already came up. Yeah, I'm taking a sell right here. Let me get ready to do that. Hold on. Taking that 1 inch here. Oh man, it's moving on quick. Hold on 1 second. Not yet, gang. Hold on. I want to get in a little higher. Yeah, this is better. All right, I took my sell right there. All right, that's my range. But my stop loss is gonna be. We'll give us a roll. Yeah, I'm gonna put it above put above this candle high, not off the current high. Not off the current high. So yeah, we're in, gang, here. 2301 was my entry. 2381. All right. Yeah. And let's see here. Let's see. I could use current candles. Yeah, you know what? I'll bring the stop loss even smaller. Yeah, just above the current candle highs. If this 1 hour reflips, then I would rather stay out of that trade. So yeah, so our stop loss is gonna be 23. Let's put it 23.88 and a half. Yeah, I'd rather do that. Yeah, but we're running in profit here anyway. But yeah, and then our take profit is set. We're coming right down to fill the range down here. And our TP is gonna be that was that 2362.7. Yeah, it's running. Ooh, there we go, gang. It was a quick trade though, but it's looking good. Yeah, we're running 20 pips now. We could see a bigger push down, but like I said, our stops are above the current 1 hour highs here. This candle already came down, took out the previous lows and reflips. Then we don't want to be in this trade anyway. So yeah, we'll hold on to it for now. What I'm gonna do is we have this level right here. You see this 1 hour candle closure. This one came down, made that bottom wick close bullish, right? Formed that support here, and that's what I'm gonna look for here. So yeah, we would want this candle to close below this support level in the next 30 minutes or so. So let's hang tight. If we close back above this range, we'll see. We'll look to manage risk at that point, but our stops are above the current candle high, so we'll hold off here. take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah. I again, anything can happen, but looking at that off the 4 hour, if you notice, our entries right at the break of the previous 4 hour lows here. So we came down, made the bottom wick here, broke the lows. It's pulling up now, but that would have been the play, taking it at the rebreak. We already got a top wick here. So 4 hour gave us a top wick, came down, broke the lows, and drove down. And now we wait. You know. Our playbook setup was there, so we take the trade. I caught it just in time as far as I was doing my breakdown. Got on stream a little bit later than I'd like tonight, but yeah, we take our trade. Once we see it, we jump in. Even off the 4 hour, our stops is just above the current 4 hour highs here. Current candle highs. All right, while we're holding this trade, let's take a look. I didn't get a chance to dive into these other charts I like to look at. NASDAQ. All right, let's take a look, right? Let me go to the daily on the NASDAQ. My goodness, what in the world is this? This gap hasn't filled yet. I talked about this gap I think early last week. When it started coming up here, I would have thought it would fill the gap. It just, man, it's a massive drive down. I mean, it dipped like 2,000 points almost. All right, so NASDAQ, what do we got here off the daily, right? So we have our high, and it broke structure here as well. We had this support level right here. So it was in that range and then dove down, right? Broke out, retest, continue to push down, right? Did it wick down here? Well, yeah, so it's this is the level down here. Yeah, NASDAQ, I mean, that could have been the push, you know what I mean, down here, and this, kind of flipped right back up. It filled this gap down here, but this gap is still valid up here. But I think it might be this drop tap here, and this might be the area where it will reject back up. So it's possible. It might still come down to fill the entire range perhaps. So I can expect a move down to about 17,000 before we see any projection back to the upside. So, but yeah, NASDAQ on a nice move down. Yeah, off the 4 hour. Yeah, it's definitely formed that resistance there. Came down here, pushing up. So this move impulse, this could be the correction before the continuation to the downside as well. But let's see. I mean, the markets might make a bit of a recovery. It might come right back up to the top here. Yeah. It stayed below this level and try to break out here, but made a massive drive down. All right, but NASDAQ is kind of stuck down there in that range, so we'll leave that alone for now. We're here in our trade, and let's see where we're at. If this candle flips now, right? I'm looking at the 4 hour. If the 4 hour flips and breaks its own high, then we could be looking at buy positions. You know, meaning it'll probably reject from this area here. We got a wick rejection here before we pushed up. Um, let's see. Let me stay on the 1 hour just to. I want to see how this candle is going to close. If it closes respecting this support here, you know, we'll have to see. But if we get a closure below this minor support here, we'll probably continue to see the drop. We have to stay patient, gang. Stay patient. You know, I mean, right now, literally, we're down, you know, what, 13 pips, 12 pips or so. Uh, if you're extremely nervous on this trade, you definitely over leveraged. You use too big a lot size for your balance and you're freaking out. You know, you have to understand that, you know, we have to allow the market to move. Our risk management is, again, based on my personal strategy. I would say, you know, what I teach you guys is, you know, I usually use, in this case, we're using current candle highs, but usually I use the previous candle highs in certain cases. You know, marking these support or resistance level, you know, it'll tell us if we're going to close below. If we close above here, you know, there might be other things we could consider. I mean, we do have the 4 hour time frame, so just because the 1 hour closes above doesn't mean that it'll push back down and then have the 4 hour close below. You know what I mean? So, bopped out, you know, again, right? We'll look at the current 4 hour making this massive bottom wick. If we reflip bullish and re-break the highs, then we can look at a buy entry, maybe at the break of the previous 4 hour highs here. We'll wait for flip and we can jump in. So yeah, we got a little over 20 minutes, 22 minutes. Candle closures. Let's wait and see. Yeah, previous 30 closed below that support level. You know, 15 closed below that level as well. Now it's kind of pushing back up. Now we got a nice bounce up. You know, right off our entry here, we did push down slightly, but now the 15's flipping up, but it's probably a top wick, so reflip down. If the 15 re-breaks the low here, we'll see that continuation. That will be the 1 hour lows as well. We'll see. Looking at the 30-minute here, you know, pushed up, made this top with your. If the 30 was to flip bearish again, then we should see a nice push further down. But let's see. For now, I'm looking at a closure below that minor support level there. See how this 15-minute closes here in 3 minutes. Oh, there we go. Is it gonna reflip? The 15 might reflip bearish first here. It's closing in a minute, 20 seconds. Let's see. Or is it gonna push back up and close above the range here? We got about 25 seconds on this 15-minute candle. Let's see how it's gonna close up here, and then we'll move over and see what the 30's doing. All right, so the 15 closed bullish, but closed below. Yeah, this might be a nice top wick here, and then the flip once it re-breaks the 15-minute lows, which is right at our entry here. Maybe we'll see a push down. All right, let's see. 30 starting to push down now. That means that 15-minute made its top wick, right? Yeah, you see, okay, so we made a top wick on the current 15, and it's currently bearish. Let's see if we're gonna continue to drive down. These 15-minute lows, if we take them out, we should see a drive down. Same with the 30. If this 30 reflips bearish now after making the top wick, we should see a drive down. So yeah. All right, gang, it's not looking so bad. That means the 1 hour's again making that attempt to re-break the lows. It just did. So it's the second attempt re-breaking the previous 1 hour lows. Same for the 4 hour, right? Look at that push up after breaking the lows, came back up above, pushed back down. So we're in the blue, gang. Let me go back. Let me stay on the 30 here the same way. I want to wait these 12 minutes just to see. Because, hey, listen, this thing can come up and close above here. Then we'll still have the 1 hour that will close about 30 minutes after that. And then we can make a call at that point if we're not stopped out yet. Let's let this trade play out. As far as the 30, we definitely want to take out the lows here, which is the same as the 1 hour and the 4 hour lows here. We want to take that low out. We got 3 minutes here. Let's see. It's pushing back down at this point. Definitely a lot of volume now at this time, so it's been moving up and down. It's struggling to push above this range. It kind of breaks above but pulls back down, and so I'm thinking this thing might want to, let's see, 2 minutes. Let's see if we're going to close above the range here, though, above this support level. Little push down here. And gold is gonna cut it close here. 45 seconds left, and it's right on, right at the level here. pushing on. All right, looks like it's gonna close above 2, 1, 0. All right, it closed above. All right, let's take a look here on the 1 hour. Yep. All right, so the 1 hour closed respecting this level here. Let's see. Going to make this push up. On the 15-minute, we have that resistance level, which is where we have our stops just above that level there. Let's see what's going to happen here. Yeah, the fact that we closed above this level here of the 30 might be a problem here. Well, let's see. I mean, it barely closed above, but look, it's driving down, made a nice top wick. It's flipping down here, so if it re-breaks the low here, that's good, but I might be looking to manage risk rather quickly here. Yeah, the 4 hour is still looking good. Another attempt to re-break the lows here. Right there at that level. Let's see. We'll push further down here. Yeah, we just re-broke the 4 hour lows again. Just wait on the 1 hour here. It's tapping right into that level there. So, yeah. That 30-minute support there. It's tapping right into it there. You gotta see if we can push through it, or is it gonna flip and then drive. You know, I'm still in this trade, gang. I'm still in it. I'm still in it. Yeah, we almost went into profit here. Just tapped right at the level there. It re-broke the lows on the 4 hour again, but we need that push. Come on, go. reflipping here. All right. Yeah, I'm still in this trade, gang. We'll wait and see. I was gonna push further down. All right, gang. Just give me a sec. Let me gotta go take care of something right quick. But again, I'm still in this trade. I'll be right back. All right, gang, I'm back. Let's see where we're at here. Not yet. Market's pushing up. Still respecting this level, gang. We're still in this trade. I'm still holding for now. Let's see if we're gonna survive this and reflip. Yeah, this could have been a fake out after this break here. Came up, but definitely respecting this level here, so we might get a push down. I know this 30 closed above. I mean, it barely closed above, but you know, if this 30-minute candle can flip bearish and then close below again, below the range there, then it's possible this thing can continue to drive down. But as you can see, even on the 1 hour, once it formed this support, this previous 1 hour closed above there. So let's see if we still get the flip bearish, and then it'll continue to drive down. We have about 10 seconds here. Let's see if we're going to close respecting here. Yeah, so yeah, candle closed below this resistance level, but let's see. I still reject and then try to make a move down again. There's that 15-minute resistance right here as well. Support, now resistance here. It's coming back, maybe retap and then try to push down. But this could be a bottom wick to flip back up on the 15. But let's see. Let's see. We did close below that level, so that's a bad good sign, not a bad sign there. But we have to push below. If we come down, we re-break the lows, that's fine. That's actually what I prefer. But we still have plenty of time on the 1 hour. 4 hours has a long way to go, so we're not too concerned about that right now. Yeah, we got a nice push up to this bottom wick here. Yeah, let's see. All right, so we got a top wick now for the 15. Let's see if it's gonna hold here. It's gonna get rejected from this level here. Oh yeah, we rebroke the highs there on the 15. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. Get stopped out here. Oh yeah, right there. All right, got tapped out, gang. All right, no big deal. Now we'll readjust here. Is that the 4-hour flip? Yeah, it's the 4-hour flip here. All right, so the 4 hours looking to flip here. All right, gang. So what I'll do is, yeah, I'm gonna have, because we rebroke the highs, I'm gonna have a buy stop at the break of the highs right there. All right, so I have a buy stop at the break of the highs here. Let's see what that entry is. Let's see what that high is. Be below this low. Yeah, so we came down once we rebroke the lows. We didn't get that continuation down, but flipping the 4 hour now and re-breaking the highs. So we're gonna have a buy stop here. If we come back down, if we come back up, I'm sorry, we break the highs again on the 4 hour, we should drive up. Then at this point, then we'll catch the flip back up. It came down and formed this support here, respected, and then this candle again broke below, but pushing above and re-broke the highs here. So now we rebroke the previous 1 hour highs, which is also the 4 hour flip. So now it pulled back down. So I have a buy stop here. Once we re-break the highs, it should activate us and drive us upwards. So we'll wait for that to happen. About to get activated here, gang. All right, gang, I'm activated here. All right. Came out, took out the highs, and it's flipping back bullish. Look at that, close back below the range after it broke the highs. Yeah, re-broke the 15-minute lows here. Might be looking to come back down as I expected initially. Wow. Our stops were kept above here earlier off the 1 hour, and we came back and wicked us right out, and then now just reflipped. But also the 4 hour rebroke its own high, and then is also flipping bearish again. So there you go. Okay. Yeah. You know what, gang? me yeah, we're down 50 pips here. Gang, I'm out here on this trade. I jumped out minus 50 pips there. No sense in holding that trade. Once it rebroke the lows again. So now what I'm gonna wait for is this structure we formed here. You see, we got this resistance, the support level here. Let me see if we'll get something on the way down here. Wow, worked us out by, I mean, barely. Yeah, look at that. With the highs, yeah, worked us out by like 2 pips, and then drove all the way back down. All right, let's stay patient here and see how we're gonna close in the next couple of minutes here. Gold will do that to you, gang. You know, we look at the market and sometimes we have to react quickly. Sometimes these re-breaks of certain levels, you know, you take your entries, but you know, we come down, we go up, and you know, the initial setup again was the break of the 4-hour lows after making we had made a top wick, came down, and once it rebroke, we had our sell stop here at the break of the lows, and we saw some profit here, but then it reflipped and you know made a steeper top wick on the 4-hour and wicked us out, and then now it's reflipping. So it happens, gang. It happens. I mean, I could have said, well, let's, you know, our stops are above this 1-hour high here. We could have had it up here at the break of these highs up here, but you know, had some tight stop losses. That was about 75 pips or so, and yeah, wicked us out, and now it's reflipping. So it happens, gang. You know, but the setup was there. We might still see this thing drive down, but in order for that to happen, I'll probably take it off to 30. But yeah, we gotta break these levels here, or off the 15. The 15 has this level. I mark it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a support. Yeah, this is a good level here. We got these wicks rejecting from there. This one wicked above, but also rejected. Well, it's currently rejecting. Let's see if we'll close back below, respecting this level. So that means this level's holding in this range. So I'll need a break out of one of these ranges here. Also, not to mention the 4 after coming all the way down here, reflip bullish to make a bigger, higher high here. You know, push the wick up a little bit more, but now it's reflipping bearish. So, you know, a lot of time. 2 hours left on this candle. This thing again, after making this bottom wick, you know, it could still reflip. So, you know, normally, in a case like that, in my experience, you know, a 4 hour makes a top wick and then comes down and makes a very steep bottom wick like this. It's highly unlikely that it'll come back to re-break its own high. In this case, it did that, but that doesn't happen very often, at least not during the current candle. And again, right, we got wicked out here, and then it's again driving down, as you can see. But if I were to get that same setup over again, I'll take the same exact trade every single time. So we don't dwell on that, you know, previous trade or previous loss, or you know, we take it. The loss is the loss, and you know, we managed our risk. Again, our stop losses were about the previous 1 hour highs actually. Yep, and you see the wick right there, just above that high. So just came up, wicked us out, and then pushed all the way back down. So we'll wait. Now we wait for a new setup, and we keep it moving. Keep it moving, gang. Yeah, there's 4 minutes left. I don't see this candle. It's probably gonna close in the range here, gang. Yeah, I might be calling it a night here. And that re-break of the high right there, just enough to wick us out here. Yes, it's probably gonna range. Maybe pre-London, then we'll see a break of one of these levels, either up or down. Yeah, you see we broke out, so I caught this break of the low here, but then it flipped back. Our stops were up here, came back, just took us out, and just coming back down. So, yeah. I'm leaning more towards the bearish side. I feel like we'll still come down and tap this level. You know, fill this range down here. I would say maybe at least at this level here. Maybe even grab this wick down here. So you know, it's possible this thing can push down overnight. But yeah, it's very unlikely, gang, that this thing is gonna. It's not gonna do much here. Doji closure on the 1 hour would be interesting as well too. But yeah, 30's closing bearish. Again, you see how I respected this level here at the 15. See this resistance came down this thing. That's where it broke above here, but still flip bearish. Now it's coming down, made a bottom wick here, and it's kind of closing here. So let's see. It's either a re-break of the highs or a break of this level here. It has to get out of this. It's got to get out of this consolidation area here. So doesn't seem like it's gonna happen tonight, gang. But I'll say this again. We learn even when we take our losses here, and again, the market can be a little tricky sometimes like that. Go be moving, crazy sometimes. So, but again, our playbook setup was there. I'll go over it one more time. As far as the 1 hour, all right, we had this candle close below this level here, right? That was our support level. Close below. This candle came back up, made a low. When this candle pushed up, made a top wick. When we came down and re-broke the previous 4-hour lows, the previous 1 hour lows, we took our trade and it started driving down. You can see it on the 4-hour, right? This 4-hour closed bearish, closed below. See our support line right here? Closed below and then came down. And then when this candle came down and broke the previous 4-hour lows, we took our sells. We saw some profit here. We saw about 30, like 20. Yeah, we saw 20 pips in profit here. And then it reflipped again, right? Made this high and took us out. And now look at the body coming right back down. So this thing might still come back down and close below this support level here. So on the 4 hours. So it's 2 hours left. Yeah, not gonna happen, gang. And let's see, the 1 hour is gonna close bullish, seems here. 5 seconds or so. So yeah. So notice how there's this support level here on the 1 hour. Now with this candle closure, look at this. Look at that, gang. Oops. I'll mark it right there. Look at that. So look at these candles, all of them respecting this level right here. This 1 hour just closed just above that level as well. So yeah, that 23, what is that? 2383.90, 2384. Now this candle's pulling down first, might come down, make a bottom wick. And look at these wick rejections, wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejection, wick rejection. So yeah, this is a crappy range to trade in right now. Broke the lows, flip back up. Broke the highs, but flip back down. So yeah, very unpredictable, gang. Not much we can do with that at this point. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream here, gang. Again, thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate your support. Hit that like and subscribe button. And for my platform members, definitely be trading the New York session tomorrow. And yeah, we don't have any major news tomorrow. So market should be all about price action tomorrow. So that's all I got tonight, gang. Again, thanks again for tuning in. Everybody have a good night, blessed night, and see you guys tomorrow for the stream. All right. God bless. Peace out, man.